Hello friends, welcome to Stock Lovers TV. Today we are going to discuss about the Hindustan Unilever Limited stock. Let's start our discussion with what does HUL does. Hindustan Unilever is a FMCG company which primarily is taken care of home care, beauty care, personal care, and which also includes food and refreshment segment. The company has the manufacturing facilities across the countries and sells primarily in India. Company's brands are available across 80 lakhs plus stores across the India. Here, India is the primary place for business for the company, which accounts 96% of revenue comes from India, and 4% of revenues are earned from the sales outside the India. Company is the market leaders in many of the product categories such as clean skin cleansing, skin care, off care, fabric wash, household care, tea, etc. Recently, the company has acquired the brands like Induleka in 2015, VWash and GSK brands for their business expansion in 2020. Few of the brands which comes under Hindustan Unilever Limiteds are like Dove, Lifebuoy, Pepsodent, Close Up, Leverage, Tresemme, Dove, Lakme, Glow and Lovely, Ponds, Vaseline, etc. Here comes the revenue breakup for the stock Hindustan Unilever Limited. Here, out of 100%, 30% of the revenue comes from the home care products, and others like 39% comes from beauty and personal care, and 29% out of 100% comes from foods and refreshment. The rest 2% come from the other. Here you can see the chart. Here you can see the chart for the revenue breakup, which comprising of all the percentage and areas where the HUL is getting the revenues, like revenue breakup for each overall 100%. Next, if you can moving on, like we can see the chart here. The stock is currently trading at 2,558 rupees, and the 52-week low of 1,901, and the stock is having the 52-week high of 2,859, and the return on equity is 18.4%, and the stock 50 DMA is 2,309, and 200 DMA is 2,284. The stock is well trading above both the 50 DMA and well 200 DMA. If you can just see the fundamental analysis of the stock here, uh, the stock is like the market cap of the HUL is like 599,000 crores, and stock is having the PE of 67%, and the ROC is 24.4%, which is very good actually compared to all the stocks. Like, and the little worry is like the book value. Book value is just 209. Like the stock is trading at 2554, which is almost 12 times the book value. This is slightly a concern on this stock. And the ROI is 18%, which is fairly good. And if you can see the quarterly results, the sales in June 2019 is 10,364 crores, whereas in currently March 2022, the sales has been increased to 13,767. If you can see from June 29, each quarter it got increased like 10,002, and now the sales is like 13,767, which shows that quarter on quarter the business is growing. And also, like if you can see the net profit is like 1,792 in June 2019 quarter. Now it is 2,304 crores. Like here also, like net profit is increasing drastically, which shows the business is very good. And also, like if you can see the profit and loss year on year, in March 2011, the business was like sales was like 20,000 crores. Now, if you can see in March 2022, which is almost 11 years. The business has grown from 20,000 to 52,000 crores in sales. Like if you can see the sales from 2011, it got drastically increased 20,000, 23,000, 27, 29, 31 till 52,000 till March 22. This shows that sales is gradually increasing every year. And also, like if you can see the net profit in 2011, we can see the net profit of 2296. In 2022, we can see the net profit of 8879, which is almost fourfold, which indicates uh, the good thing, and the sales and profits are gradually increasing every year in the stock. If you can see the, let's discuss on shareholding pattern of the HUL. Here you can see the promoters are holding more than 60 in June 2022. The promoters are holding more than 60% of shares, whereas DIA is holding 13%. Here, if you can see, since 2019, the promoters are not reducing. Like they are maintaining above the 60 percentage of shareholdings, and this indicates like whenever the stock more than 60% layer, the promoters holding more shareholdings in the company, which indicates the good about the company. Like, and also like the FIIs are holding 13%, DIIs are holding 12%, and public is holding 12%. Here with this we can analyze that the company is in good driving state. With all this information, we'll be concluding our discussion with the pros and cons. Let's go back to the slide. Here, every stock will be having each both pros and cons. Let's discuss what are they for the Hindustan Unilever Limited. Let's start with the negative. The stock is trading, as I already mentioned during the fundamental analysis, the stock is trading at 12 times of its book value, which is a little worried. And the and stock, we can see the like it is providing the poor sales growth since past 5 years, which is another concerns for us. And if we can comes for the pros, the company is almost debt free, and we are seeing the return on equity of 28%, and they are also providing healthy dividend, which is good for the shareholders. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like our video. Thanks, Talk Lovers TV.